Cough. When you sit in your OP practice, 90% of cases that you are going to see these children with cough. Do each and every child requires plenty of thousands and thousands, tons and tons of cough syrups are available. Do I need all those cough syrups? Sometimes it can be a manifestation of a pneumonia, atypical pneumonia. Sometimes it can be a manifestation of an ILD. Sometimes it can be a manifestation of an underlying foreign body. Sometimes a recurrent cough could be habit cough, which you and me can't do anything. So in those instances, how to approach a case of cough that comes to your clinic? Antibiotic, X-ray chest, foreign body, what I need to take in those instances? Let us see a simplified approach to cough to my residents. Right. You all know that whenever a child is put in kindergarten school, the day the child is put in kindergarten school, the day your cough starts. Most of them are due to acute viral coryza. Most of them are due to viral infection. Some can lead to wheeze-like manifestations, but majority of them will be coughing like anything with or without sleep disturbance. And almost majority of the doctors are surviving by giving these cough syrups. Okay. So cough, but remember, cough is a simple protective reflex that whenever any foreign thing that goes inside by cough, the body is trying to get those particles out of it. Okay, so cough is a protective reflex. Unless otherwise proved, it is not disturbing the child. It may disturb you, but if it doesn't disturb the child, give a soothing agents like honey, it works well. Okay, right. Remember, cough, apart from a protective reflex, where cough receptors are plenty. Cough receptors plenty in trachea and bronchus. So whenever cough, the mother says cough as a predominant complaint, it means that the site of pathology is in the place where cough receptors are more. Where cough receptors are more? Trachea and bronchus. Trachea and bronchus. So what is the carry home message? Whenever there is a pathology is in nose, nasopharynx or larynx, the predominant manifestation will be noisy breathing. Whenever there is a problem in trachea and bronchus, the predominant manifestation will be cough. Whenever there is a problem in the alveoli or interstitium, the predominant manifestation will be breathlessness. Very simple. So when cough is the predominant complaint, the site of pathology is in trachea and bronchus. Else the cough receptors are less sparse and cough will not be that much predominant even if it is so. Remember this point. So the most common cause for cough is acute viral coryza, viral upper respiratory tract infection. When cough is predominant, try to find out the etiology in trachea and bronchus. How to approach a case of cough? Cough can be an acute cough or a chronic cough. An acute cough, what is an acute cough and what is a chronic cough? An acute cough is one that lasts for less than 4 weeks. A chronic cough is one that lasts for more than 4 weeks. Sometimes diseases like pertussis can be a both acute cough and chronic cough. A forgotten foreign body initially to present with acute cough then become a chronic cough by producing focal bronchiectasis. TB, if you detect within 2 to 4 weeks, become an acute cough. If not, it becomes a chronic cough. But majority of the acute cough are due to viral respiratory tract infections. Cough in viral respiratory tract infection usually resolves within 4 weeks. Most common cause for acute cough is viral respiratory tract infection. That's why this criteria of cough less than 4 weeks and cough more than 4 weeks.